The following content has been generated with artificial intelligence under minimal human supervision. The data presented may contain errors or inaccuracies. The opinions expressed in this content do not necessarily reflect the vision, position, or values of Digi-all. We recommend verifying critical information with additional sources before making decisions based on this content.
Welcome to Digi-all Tech News. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, 2026. I'm Kylie Brooks, and this is where technology becomes clear and engaging. Tencent launches Claude to integrate its WeChat platform with the viral OpenClaw AI agent, bringing AI capabilities to over 1 billion monthly active users. Anthropic unveils a groundbreaking feature allowing Claude to control your computer remotely from your smartphone, completing tasks like exporting documents and scheduling meetings. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy doubles his forecast for AWS annual revenue, now expecting it to reach $600 billion within the next decade, driven by AI demand. Apple announces its Worldwide Developers Conference will take place from June 8th to June 12th, with expectations high for AI-powered Siri improvements and new developer tools. Chinese startup Westlake Robotics introduces Titan 01, a humanoid robot capable of mimicking human movements in milliseconds using its general action expert AI model. The AI agent battle in China is heating up, and Tencent just made a major move. The company has launched Claude, a tool that integrates WeChat with the open-source OpenClaw AI agent. This means over 1 billion monthly active WeChat users can now interact with AI directly through their messaging app. OpenClaw itself has been making waves lately. It's capable of transferring files, sending emails, and handling tasks on behalf of users. While authorities have raised security concerns, tech firms are racing to capitalize on this trend. Tencent's own AI agent suite includes QClaw for individuals, Lighthouse for developers, and WorkBuddy for enterprises. Meanwhile, competitors aren't standing still. Alibaba recently launched Wukong, an enterprise platform that coordinates multiple AI agents, and Baidu has built a series of agents on OpenClaw covering everything from desktop software to smart home devices. Anthropic is pushing the boundaries of what AI agents can do. Their latest feature lets you send prompts to Claude from your smartphone, and Claude will complete tasks on your computer remotely. Imagine running late for a meeting and asking Claude to export a pitch deck as a PDF and attach it to your calendar invite. That's exactly what they're demonstrating. This follows the massive attention OpenClaw has received, which NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang called definitely the next ChatGPT. NVIDIA itself just announced NemoClaw, an enterprise version. OpenAI also made a notable hire, bringing on Peter Steinberger, the creator of OpenClaw. Anthropic is being appropriately cautious though, noting that computer use is still early compared to Claude's coding abilities, and that safeguards are in place requiring permission before accessing new apps. Amazon Web Services is positioning itself to become a $600 billion annual revenue business within the next decade. That's double the previous forecast from CEO Andy Jassy, who cited AI-related demand as the primary driver. To put this in perspective, only Amazon and Walmart currently generate over $600 billion in annual revenue. Amazon has long been leveraging AI in its warehouses and marketplace for predictive shopping. Now they're investing heavily in robotaxis and custom chips. Even with a 14% growth rate in the most recent quarter, the momentum appears unstoppable. For investors, the stock trades at 29 times trailing earnings, which historically has been considered a premium, but at under 26 times forward earnings based on analyst projections, some see it as an attractive opportunity for long-term growth. Apple has officially announced that this year's Worldwide Developers Conference will run from June 8th through June 12th, both online and at their Cupertino headquarters. The focus this time around is firmly on AI advancements, alongside updates to iOS, macOS, tvOS, and watchOS. This marks a shift from last year's conference, which centered on the liquid glass interface design with minimal AI discussion. Expectations are building for a significantly improved Siri with better personal context and on-screen awareness, potentially powered by Apple's deal with Google to use Gemini. Developers might also see ChatGPT integrations for coding in Xcode, following recent additions of agentic coding tools like Anthropic's Claude agent and OpenAI's Codex. The conference will stream live on Apple's developer app, website, YouTube channel, and bilingually for viewers in China. In robotics news, Chinese startup Westlake Robotics has unveiled the Titan 01, a humanoid robot that can mimic human actions almost instantly. Using their in-house General Action Expert Foundation model, which functions as a general-purpose cerebellum, the robot replicated an operator's movements, including waving, turning, and kicking a ball, within milliseconds during a demonstration in Hangzhou. What's particularly impressive is the shadow function, allowing the robot to act as a real-time physical extension of a human operator. This opens possibilities for rapid training, remote task execution, and safer operations across manufacturing, healthcare, and consumer services. The GAE model can also adapt to different users and variations in motion, and features cross-embodiment capability, meaning it can be deployed across robots with varying structures and sizes. We'll continue tracking these stories as they develop, from AI agents taking control of our devices to humanoid robots mirroring our movements. The pace of technological change shows no signs of slowing. Stay tuned for updates on Apple's WWDC announcements and the evolving competitive landscape for AI agents across China and beyond. Thank you for staying informed with Digi-all Tech news. We'll be back with more updates as they develop.